That is the wait for the elevators on a Saturday, so you know, give yourself some extra time. This is the resort tower. You take this exit to go to the pool and the spa. They have a little capsule coffee down here for you in the morning. Super cool theming in here.
Chuki beef.
Got your Baja Fresh. You got your Dick's Last Resort, where they will make fun of you. Beautiful casino. They also have a little shop bar if you just want to get a quick drink. And they have a little merch store. There's your box office to get shows. The stairs downstairs take you to the passageway that goes to New York, I believe. And right outside those doors is the valet and where you drop off your luggage. There's an essentials store over there, a little liquor store. You can see they have really cool things on the ceiling. They've really kept the theming alive in here. Your bell desk is located over there. You have your mobile check-in key card pickup, and then here is your lobby. It is a Saturday. Lines were pretty bad on Thursday, but we did the self check-in and it made it a lot easier. There's a big beautiful lobby bar. There are two towers, the resort tower and Royal Tower as well. There's some restrooms here to your left. Your Johnny Rockets here to your right. And straight ahead is your Royal Tower. And this is where you're going to pick up your Uber and Lyft ride shares out this tower. You got our favorite Planet Moolah. Security don't seem to give two so that's good. Remember Leonard Skinner used to be here? It's all gone now. In Buffalo, your Sherwood Forest Bar. At your Vagabond, eat, drink, and play. Upstairs, they have a large food court. Another nice little bar right here. Looks like they're getting ready for a slot tournament here. And here is their race and sports book. Here's their rotunda, which is their timeshare check-in, bus pickup, self-park, car rental, and the Starbucks. Here's the high limit room. Your Starbucks. Lovely place to chill here. Kiosk with some snacks, some shooters. Here's your self-parking prepay. Look, you got this guy hiding back here. And you have some really, really nice little places to chill, relax, and kick back in. There's some restrooms. Your Avis car rental. Here's the tour bus pickup. The walkway to the parking garage and T-Mobile Arena. This is the walkway to the parking garage. There is parking in the front, back, and all around Excalibur on the ground, but it's very limited. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever stayed at the Excalibur? Would you ever stay at the Excalibur? Have you ever played here? Ever won anything? I really want to know. We appreciate you watching and look forward to seeing you next time. Peace out. You guys might be waiting a while.
That one doesn't work.
People are stuck in that elevator right now. Oh, was it you guys?
Yeah. It was me.
These poor folks just got stuck. Holy beans. All right, boys and girls. We are finally leaving beautiful Las Vegas. The Bieber Fever is coming to Las Vegas. All right, everybody. Have an amazing weekend. Vegas to Cali, over and out.